I bought the wrong wheel kit for my generator. Let's make some adapters. A few measurements and 20 minutes of CAD work. Some spare ASA will do the trick. Holes are on point. The leg adapters fit perfectly. The handle needs to be mounted here and not too high. Spare stainless steel will work for now. Let's drill holes, then prep for welding. Need some clearance. Time to clean the edges. My tungsten is too dull. Haven't tape welded in over 1 year. Yup, I still suck at it. Fits like an ugly glove. Make something today.